Welcome to the Animals Habit. Bluebirds are a captivating and diverse group of avian species known for their vibrant blue plumage. Found in various parts of the world, these birds contribute to the beauty of nature with their striking colors and distinctive behaviors. Like, subscribe, share and leave comment on our research. From the azure hues of the eastern bluebird to the electric shades of the indigo bunting, these feathered creatures have long captured the attention and admiration of bird enthusiasts and casual observers alike. Bluebirds encompass a wide range of species, each with its own unique characteristics. One notable example is the eastern bluebird Scyllia scylus, a North American species known for its sky blue plumage and melodic song. These small thrushes inhabit open woodlands and are often found near fields and meadows. Eastern bluebirds are cavity nesters, using natural hollows or abandoned woodpecker holes for nesting. The indigo bunting Passerina cyanea stands out with its vibrant indigo coloration, particularly in males during the breeding season. These small songbirds are found across North America and are often associated with open habitats such as grasslands and scrublands. The male's bright blue feathers play a crucial role in attracting mates during courtship displays. Australia is home to the splendid fairy wren Melurus splendens, a small passerine bird renowned for its intense blue and black plumage. These social birds inhabit dense vegetation, and the males exhibit striking breeding plumage with vibrant blue and black markings. Interestingly, male splendid fairy wrens engage in cooperative breeding, where non-breeding males help raise the offspring of the dominant breeding pair. In addition to their aesthetic appeal, bluebirds play essential roles in ecosystems by contributing to pollination, insect control, and seed dispersal. Understanding and appreciating the diversity of bluebirds provide valuable insights into the delicate balance of biodiversity within our natural. The belief that bluebirds are considered lucky is often rooted in cultural symbolism and folklore. Across various cultures and traditions, bluebirds have been associated with positive attributes and good fortune for several reasons. The color blue is often associated with calmness, tranquility, and positive energy. In many cultures, blue is considered a symbol of good luck and positive vibes. Bluebirds, with their vibrant blue plumage, naturally carry these positive associations. Aesthetics and rarity of the striking beauty of bluebirds, combined with the relative rarity of birds with such vivid blue coloring, contributes to the perception of them as special and lucky. The rarity of blue pigmentation in nature can make encountering a bluebird a unique and fortunate experience. Mythology and folklore of in various cultures, bluebirds have been featured in myths, legends, and folklore as symbols of happiness, good fortune, or even messengers of positive news. These stories contribute to the perception of bluebirds as bearers of good luck. Association with spring. In some cultures, bluebirds are associated with the arrival of spring, a season often linked to renewal, growth, and positive change. The return of migratory bluebirds during springtime is seen as a positive and auspicious event. Positive behavior traits, observations of bluebirds' behavior, such as their melodious songs and graceful flight, can contribute to positive associations. These behaviors may be interpreted as harmonious and bringers of joy. It's important to note that beliefs about lucky symbols can vary widely between cultures, and individual interpretations may differ. The perception of bluebirds as lucky is a cultural construct that has evolved over time, reflecting the human inclination to find meaning and positivity in the natural world. Facts about bluebirds. Diversity of species. Bluebirds belong to various species across different regions, including the eastern bluebird, indigo bunting, splendid fairy wren, and the mountain bluebird, showcasing a diversity of sizes, habitats, and behaviors. Pigment mechanism of the vibrant blue coloration of bluebirds is often a result of structural coloration rather than pigments. Tiny structures in the feathers scatter light in a way that produces the blue hues, giving the plumage its distinctive and often iridescent appearance. Blue jay mimicry of blue jays Cyanocida cristata, while not entirely blue, are known for their striking blue patches. They are also skilled mimics, imitating the calls of other bird species, animals, and even mechanical sounds. Migration patterns of some bluebirds, such as the tree swallow, undertake long migrations. These swallows can travel thousands of miles between their breeding grounds in North America and their wintering areas in Central and South America. Monogamous behavior of many bluebird species exhibit monogamous behavior, forming strong pair bonds during the breeding season. This includes shared responsibilities in nest building, incubating eggs, and caring for the young. Song variations of bluebirds are often recognized for their melodious songs. Each species has a distinct song, and within a species, individual birds may have variations in their calls and songs. Feeding habits of bluebirds typically have diverse diets, including insects, berries, seeds, and nectar. Their feeding habits contribute to ecological balance by controlling insect populations and aiding in seed dispersal. Cavity nesters of many bluebird species, such as the eastern bluebird, are cavity nesters. They rely on natural tree hollows or man-made nesting boxes for shelter, protection, and raising their offspring. Social structures of some bluebirds, like the splendid fairy wren, exhibit complex social structures. In cooperative breeding, non-breeding individuals help care for the offspring of dominant breeding pairs. Symbolism in culture of bluebirds hold cultural significance in various traditions. In Native American folklore, the bluebird is often associated with happiness and prosperity, while in Chinese culture, it symbolizes good luck and a bright future. These facts highlight the intriguing characteristics, behaviors, and cultural significance of bluebirds in different parts of the world. Thank you for watching.